Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Okay, live on Inshira 104.5, your number one Akan radio station, Power Sports, and our Sugu so Tenia Kona Fenko phone crossnom, Yamfa and Sama and Set Making on a panel, Yamfa Amati for Stolia Guswa Yestrimia, Unsubet Miako, various social media platforms, no, Wuka Unsut me a boy hand on a camera, no sweat me, I follow Biaka Sansa Jared Torment on a pay, Whoopim our Twitter at Inshira Sports Wana, who bones to be a Kosokama Unsubet Miako now, no. Wako follow Jumedi ne kama sanso na mekazo bia upese uhwebi enso wa YouTube no so no woko Inshira TV e wa YouTube ubanya show no kama na afa unsu atimi ahwebe no achi no mamenka osamu amusu mu follow e wa ade Facebook no no de maka so unya bia wo Facebook na o search engine wa boashem Inshira 104.5 FM na afa no unsu atimi amonita show ne kama bia so demo kama unya kope o like no ahye na afa comment no unsu atimi live ne kama na afa chairman trasia wo de nyina enso atimi ade bra wa bra ye did the global show enso ade pano pay na ensem ne dos na pay sinko ne nyina no ye de eba meka sanra wo ko their friends German Bundesliga game no bako eno nso etimi kema their friends outstanding game no eno nso etimi eba so eno ata na ewo Weissa Stadion tima ye friends Veda Bremen na tenafie ema Ben for Leverkusen ekwohye ne 4-1 Abrantia friends Kai Havertz ebo 2 goals bibia enso ye kama mdema tima ye friends Ben Leverkusen to mkobo away ekwa win game by 4 goals to 1 no so akoya nigisem enso ade ma Ben Leverkusen team no pay ni nyina ya de ehonsam na enso de bretie for still ye guso streaming live o Facebook me hunsa no pay so uko Facebook de patom no muguso obia enso ehwe bia no pay obi etisa ye akwasikas ehwe bi sanso na ade na najma e Belgium no pay wono nso ehwe Mr Eric Woba for so USA wono nso ehwe sanso na tuga enso USA wo mo nyina no pamugo Facebook live no so obia enso e monitor the global show ABAB wono nso ehwe bia enya asem keto akwana ni Emmanuel wom enyina e wo Facebook na de na sene bi enso de ama ejare base make sense na Daroma ene yetimi na Facebook adwumadi no bibia enso eya kama Kennedy Yelson wom nyina e wo Facebook live no so dada boat was the best sports show wom nyina enso ehwe bi Kennedy Yelson so medical ya tuja so no so no ehwe bia Papa Ivan sense wo Facebook wo ehwe bi Enoch Ntachi was Andy Bra unso betia monitor show ni bi kama na afere bibia enso tima ya ka enso tima e de ma Douglas Kojo Fortuo wom enyina e wo Facebook wom enso ehwebia enya sem keto akwasanso ena wopia e Atlanta e wo USA me hu se Kwame Amoakonhene enso atime piema wono nso ehwe sto ne bi nya sem keto akwantano pai ye de amane nsem na enso e de hyase na de tene se upiemu e wo so Premier League ni ma ye de card ya tuka se no am na 20 teams no wom nyina enso akwatimi eto aba meet team course no e ade 20 clubs na timi vote ye se eni kwanse league na bi o sem panimfo twam e wo so mutime twentwen so na fe no wom etime follow e ade safety protocols no na their friends are their project restart bibia enso atimi cause na fe league matches eno enso atimi aka no mutimi clear matches no na bibia enso atimi ya kama na beto dwa no na yesi ade meet na timi cause so na clubs no enso atimi kwa G2 mu se league matches atimi finish no empenin for catch the teams ne senyame aduma en eko bia no so atimi resume training na bibia enso ya kama na the team empenin for ne sanso de atodwa ama demeka de anase de atodwa ne se nei wopiem e wo Premier League ni ma no mu so kirema se ekoba so mutimi finish season no se bia Liverpool Abraham handle title no so dem Liverpool no so betimi apa na omo so atimi support Liverpool na trophy presentation so atimi akoso na omo be sad na just say safe to do so no dear to da free the English Premier League no peringina no de wonsem no ye de for e show no so na mamenka o se upiem e Barcelona team nem a de tense openya friends Jose Maria Bartomeu wono ene president dem team friends FC Barcelona na mamen fan to kasa no pe upiem e wo team friends Barca openya no yes last year no one kasa fa phone efra e Tottenham Hotspur chairman openya friends Daniel Levy na corner de kwa no nyina na ya about Brantia friends Hurricane na opeso hu se bia Hurricane se na se no enema enso esi kwa Branton hu nsem to same esanse Barca team no mo pe orura friends Hurricane yes phone call ne kwa no openya friends Daniel Levy one chin so kwa no kasa no to FC Barcelona no diaba ya din nyina enso enso edemate for Makato sa brantia friends Felipe Coutinho one also said the Shani City and Bobakwa ni dinga de bamunchi na so ba betudwa say abrantia friends Felipe Coutinho ne dem enya de sebia de no betuma ya permanent nemum de ten say ene akoba say Champions League and one Makato say UEFA president openya friends Alexander Sefren one also the assurance about say Champions League betuma finish no de ten say also bamunchi no second leg against Chelsea no so timi kobo na akoba say betuma ba sebia bamunchi team no won enso betuma qualify komo ni na akoba ne sa na sabrantia friends Felipe Coutinho betuma ya branch no na dem second say dia London no betuma stand no na the transfer report ever and say so man tumi ansane ne permanent dia ba say Manchester United team no nei won enso team are ready sabrantia friends Felipe Coutinho won so be so betuma ka boy no na fe won so ba be sina kan so de matima nedin enso at the United team no no reporter to John Pani na ye de won sam no ye de emetie for na opanyina ye friends team Sherwood on former manager at the club friends Tottenham Hotspur na opanyina so de nsem kakra de atuja was your branch friends Hurricane no jirisa branch no said the ono anka sebe ka se Drew bi no feel say team friends Tottenham entimente trophies obetimi pe bi enso timi de nature no support branch ni team na so at Hurricane nemum so okotim bia eni kwa se okọ Manchester United o ka branch no te opetim bia timi akọ fe no watimi akọ trophies aba na Europe na fe domestic o jirisa ita mta branch your friends Hurricane no be ko Spain na ko Spain na se team friends Barca and what Madrid na wono ko siaka ana se bia ompim e Germany no ko ba ne ball no so fama team friends Bamunchen and no ayon some opinion friends team Shawood one enso dia to John Pani na no de demetie for enso e we show no so me go back to Barca team no ma branch friends Ivan Rakitic no some the doso na the tense and ya de aya Rakitic ko ha na dia tia Rakitic na de ne kwa ji player we ya disca kan no some dia doso pia about Ivan Rakitic na boy na nkasa so timi akasa wase ono ne doors enso ye open the name team bia enso timi pa na so no Ivan Rakitic Barca for you ready say omusu betimi agana manakwa why not wono so emfa any club betimi apa say oya big nkwa dia wono ye Ivan Rakitic no wono so betimi agepeni apa na say club no wetimi ba besina ka enso timi dia mam no ensama branch friends Ivan Rakitic wono enso dia tugani na ne wonsam no ye DMT for anopay na the trans oko English Premier League no ma opanyina wono chief executive or reference Richard master senso no nyure wono so timi be to just nyame atuma June 12 and omo when say project restart no won enso betimi we na afia dia league no be June 12 be bia so timi resume na oko oma friends England womo so Premier League match senso timi akos nemum was enya de se bia maka se June 12 won person mo resume match se bia won at the pressure enso de ba clubs na there be was omo be bia enso timi flexible and no ayensim opanya friends Richard Masters wono ana UPM e Premier League no man we chief executive no de sanse man opay wono enso timi dia jaye na oko Italy so no am ne beto Johnson no make to say ade Italy womo so ya de FIG so Italian Football Federation enso the 14 na se we no 14 pages de medical protocol senso da kwa koma pan no na the trans enu anwumere na de statement bi enso free abem enso timi ba ya opanya face Giuseppe Conte wono Prime Minister Edema Italy ono so nsatime shasia wom ensama mu kanyana se uba Italy se ebia football na se bia gathering enso betumi akoso a just June 14th intene said na Italy from penny for anymore wom recall players ameno ka se teams no wom anyom players nyina nyade se bia wom nso animu ya no metumi resume bia their friends say training na fe no wom enso tumi akwa matches no just nyame adoma June 14 no statement opanyina your friends say Giuseppe Conte ono Prime Minister no so ne statement of the Bible nteno na ye kamunsem enso timi dia chero na onse Premier League na ba betotwa se e ade ampenifon betimi atwa matches no mekire e BT Sports na ade ye television air dance cameras no so betimi akọ stadium na akwa matches se ba betotwa so montu hwa ni mo se on betimi the cameras ni bia timi akọ dressing room na afia bra coach sani ni players enso din komo before every game and what half time nenka cameras no enso timi capture na sanso mo sanso de betotwa se nei wom make plans so betimi install the friends some microphone senso ade dugout or entian for se bia Liverpool anything be it is Everton neighbor game am Everton wom so dugout be bia coach friend say Carlo Ancelotti watenom na so motimi at the microphone de akwakosi ho eno achi oko Liverpool akatia wom so dugout no be bia opanya friend say your club enso tenom wom ade their friends some microphone senso betimi akọ na fe coaches nen sam wom ka no bibia enso atumi aba mo bia enso atumi ate na yesi coaches ne so kyerema dabi saade ne pa de omuntumi enti asema mpanifo no entumi install air cameras a wade a their friends tag out on dabi sanse coaches no mugire sensem bi wonu aso mo kam eni ko asetumi pa bontenti nei wom enyanwe ha wo the cameras eba na fe omo kan sem bi ade bete na sensentro for ye pa asema tinti no ni aba be kan bebrebe bia nyanka nya sana coach no so pese osi a kire enti ese coaches now pose saade na mpanifo no so ye from nya de say microphones enso betimi akọ tag out a reporter ni nyina eba no pay opanya friends Rio Ferdinand a former player at the Manchester United team no ye legend at the club no na osi Manchester United wo mu jersey number 7 jersey adawate on say jersey since Brentford friends Ronaldo just jersey number 1 no obi ti say Fabian Di Maria be sha ankoye Memphis Depay sha ankoye Brentford friends Antonio Valencia so timi sha ankoye Alexis Sanchez sababe sha ankoye na Rio Ferdinand enso de atuja was jersey number 7 no just a player as ono no as ya arrogance kakra atiase ahomaso kakra enso ni so se unya player wo ya ahomaso kakra nya de se Manchester wo mo so jersey number 7 nso betimi ahye Antonio de Ojirisa Brantia your friend said Jadon Sancho se kalma Dortmund no was ya kwadan was arrogance ya character ni bi woni mu a obetimi inherit sa jersey number 7 no eno some opinion friend Rio Ferdinand enso timi atuja na de tense oko Arsenal wo mo former player Lucas Podolski wono nso de atuja was ya Brantia your friend said Mesut so we a great player no did so opinion your friend say Unai Emery wentimi amadeji Mesut so ye na onim say Mikel Arteta wapai wono nso betimi abona fo timi amadeji Brantia ne dinya nso ade ya Brentford friends Mesut so na fi ozo ne form na obi anim no sanso bepa na monso matime usa Brentford we a great player and ensema Brentford friends Lucas Podolski enso atime ade ya to chairman wo ko Spain na Atletico Madrid na the tenesa no pedo monso ye ne wo mo si ade wo season ticket holders na se bia wo monso members na wo mo season ticket holders na since COVID-19 enso atime ba no ade wo members na makoma ko 32 and almost no domatin ahwere mo nka true esa COVID-19 na domo ye senya mi adman next season wo mo start league na mtampenimfo na wo mo nyina timi ahwere mo nka true COVID-19 nya de se bia sa let's come the team mo so be yi sampenimfo ne din so dey free club ni mo de anya mi adman next season still wo mo enso betimi maintain o membership and numbers no na bibia enso betimi ya kama no de todwa ni nyina ya de bet for na Brentford friends Alex Song on so free team friends Arsenal 2012 ekopie our FC Barcelona na Alexon senso atimi atona no mutuo wase ono dentia wo free e Arsenal kopie me wo Barca na esikantia no waka say before say Sadio na Airbus no wo shia Barcelona sporting director then emo panyini ka tell say want me show ne say oba wo benya enough playing time wo so panyini ka no eno say wono kwaro no onwore cross kana wo baba je no eno kwan the only reason ano so no say e matter edema no so oba na bon ontimi emobi na so ade every week ebetimi atimi atuane kade Ojirisa no e better eno ensema branch ne din nso ade Alex Song enso de atoja ni nyina ye de amatie for no pay enso e we show no so wonsem no ye ka bi enso atimi dia cho na America ka cho so the first team wom etime resume training e wo England no e team ne din enso ade Liverpool nanopa wom enso atimi koya branch friends Jordan Henderson wono nso e connect ne Range Rover Vita no de co training grounds wa e ade a group of F5 no mutimi kwa training na metis chairman age ultimate friends Children so no woman so shasa enche kradia ya openya friends Frank Lampard wono so betimi de bia so atimi ato akwa kama na se tima ye friend say Chelsea enso atimi resume training na se woman so atimi wense nema betimi akoye eno de ba ni nyina ye de wonsem no ye de amatie for oko aye continental eno aye bobo kwa friends do woman training grounds after 72 days and na Brentford friends Cristiano Ronaldo wono enso atimi ko training after say wotimi ebe PM enso we de Italy Emma ne called their friends self-isolation and answer mandatory quarantine and na Brentford your friends Ronaldo so after 72 days one also ko share teammates na sa akoya ni jesem and dear ba ni nyina de wonsem no ye de mate for na de tensa no pay wo ko ya de Spain and bobo ko friends Real Madrid Samsung na wo ko Germany Bayern Munich na no no wo ko Italy bobo ko friends Inter Milan sa three teams no wo mo enso kirema wo mo edin hihye bi ba nyame atom na se COVID-19 no edru ba bi na football Samsung timi pa na a supporters about stadium. There are 3 club episode me and say person ball. Their friends say European Air Solidarity Cup and a game among Sobet Yamana Fesika Babano Sweat Miabua Nasa dear heroes of COVID-19 Momo fight here sa a pandemic when no one sweat me na omo the sales can sweat Miabua teams ever compete with their friends say European Air Solidarity Cup and no a teams no Bayern Munchen and what in Madrid and after Inter Milan any teams and Subet Miatoja na on say a dear German Bundesliga ever so this weekend no make a choice a dear game and I say team my friends Hector Belen woman so she go my friend friends Boyata and so KC play and the turns German Bundesliga and penny for Edibe to just our branch and punishing Nemum and almost some say Kai players ne say almost a born your mobile na a dear say also ne born on mobile no say dear friend is a social distance you know one ends with me making sure say a dear park and so one ends with me a dear joint and kakra to try a day one sem no yet for na abe to just say ne teams ne ebet me started training England no Watford captain a branch friends Troy Dini on some de hun some kakra so dia ba branch ne betu ja so no one wadi here paint to obi antimi entertain no say o ama me training na ye ntuaneka na branch friends Troy Dini no say no teams na kwa jatum say o mo betumi start training na ma ko be bia say teams na start training na medical ka to say Liverpool for etimi start training na branch friends Troy Dini was on raise concerns be enso dia champion for until say pen for betumi addresses and concerns no one training na training na enti say bia Watford for friends say almost start trainer one Troy Dini on training grounds or I just pen for it me addressing the concerns no and Jeffrey Watford almost captain aso ya paninya no ya don sem no ya de for ewo show no so na Liverpool wom a start training ke hwenum say goalkeeper ni din na de Luis Carlos okopim Besiktas wom enso cancel ni deal no nanke hwenum say bia ne wonu so benya akonya ewra ya de Liverpool wom so mehu training grounds na for timi akwa training ni bi ya say almost stop here branch ne say there be training grounds e manisi o essence on cap plans ne Liverpool wom 2 goalkeepers omoni ya adwuma no goalkeeper friends Adran na fa branch ni de Alisson Becker ni kwasa goalkeeper ni de Luis Carlos na mfa so return to club no ni kwasa otimi eba training grounds obi no report to jani na don sem no ye for former Inter Milan president opanyina ye friends Massimo Moratti na osi wono de onim ni se Barca for de also mu ye biom go so so branch friends Lautaro Martinez ni deal no so betin also did sa dia kana de ni nyina enso wo boy friends Martinez ni nyina ewan ho was Barca de bia no enso different offers coach me friends Inter said beya or reference Lautaro Martinez wom enso sabet me kana se boy na besia kan de ama FC Barcelona team no reporter to join up panya friends Jimmy Carragher enso de kakraba na nensema o kan one day o say o jire say nense bia say players enso to test positive England of COVID-19 na enya de betimi aye no wanwe say omusi training ebetimi akoso but small groups no say there be players no ups and downs so mo be nyina no likely say player be enso betimi get contact eno enso panya friends Jimmy Carragher enso de yatoja ya de ehonsem edeba last week and Becca say Bobo ko friends Manchester City nso kirema wo mo supporters amukra season tickets no ne akoba say matches on be born behind closed doors no wo enso betimi aye their friends refund na for biasi kometimi atua na de ten say none of United nso de abasa wo so no sa wo mo so betimi their friends refund into bia we a season ticket holder na fe usika akam no ngon enso behwe na fe usika no wo metimi atua na kama enso atimi dia ma Rakitic enso de atoja so be very happy so branch friends Lautaro Martinez enso be join the club ni din FC but was a player no we do the highest level na no ayenso branch friends Rakitic enso atimi edi atoja ni no ya de for na de ten say Xavi icon enso de metimi friends Barcelona na Xavi de atoja o si a branch friends Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang sanso and our boy friends Sadio Mane sa 2 players no be struggle e wo camp no the attendance branch friends Aubameyang obi an se ball wonim bo Sadio Mane obi anim se ball wonim piano e go se Barca e ko fa 2 players ne de ba wo mo so be struggle and say no matimi adapt enso otima e din ya de FC Barcelona eno ayen sama openya friends Xavi enso de atoja na Manchester United former player Ryan Giggs enso kirema was in the toughest opponent since ono so siakan e wo Premier League no e Arsenal wo team e yade 90s o team no what you say obi to say yade Dennis Beckham sa team no or say yade the greatest opponent on so team ahia e sa team na say Mr. Arsene Wenger enso team e parity eno e nsema opanya ne din nso e de Ryan Giggs enso de ato jani na no yade e ho nsem e de ba still ye go so ye streaming live e we various social media platforms wonso betimi akona afi no betimi akomunta show ne kama nyansem keto akra ene chairman atena sentini nyina no wode ho nsem enso betimi dia baba menka osa no pese wutiemi a na onso atimi atu anamo akopie mu e wo Kennedy Digital Slash na afi no da watimi akwa ju decoder sounds na TVs no wakwa jodi na Kennedy simen kancho bia still COVID-19 no e real ntisa wo ba no make sure say onso de friends say face mask no watimi ahye bi kama udru honest watimi sanitize na bibia nso watimi kana uwie pe na urama 32 inches a TV 549 Ghana cedis ubenya bi 40 inches a TV 899 43 inches a 999 50 inches a 1699 ninyina oba unsabeka bi Samsung na quality brands no ceiling fan standing fan ninyina KDS brands no wakofa bi enso de ba mo pe laptops mo pe air conditioners wo pe deep freezers microwaves and CCTV cameras no Kennedy Digital Slash and American for enso de ama o Shannon so say for 4-pound machine domestic type and commercial types and still ebi eda so e Kennedy awokwa wonso no nsabetimi akabi na mo amonso ye pia makadefa controllers general department we ye abanjuma ye nipa de na affordability package no eno nso ye gusu ye di emo bia ntino niema no ye di fru no watua ne kakra sa Kennedy ne branches no eye mienu Edum Family Plaza building first floor store number 21 Samsung store number 22 eno ati uduru Patasi Adumos open police depot Patasi Main Street wo de also besi e Kennedy Junction wonsabeka openye no na number ofre Kennedy no watimi na twetwe nkomo no eno 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 eno number ofre Kennedy openye no wono ankasa ebe peken wono enso atimi adi nkomo na fe dia open no wonso onse atimi aka na mamenka say Jack Expert Roofing enso etayechi anope ya omo de omo kire ne say yakefo ndie I still makato bia say 20 years experience in roofing industry na opese ye installation of quality alloys trousers ademawa wo ba yeka ye be ne kama enso de ma na eno eba esanso ba with air warranty eno achi long span roofing sheet no sa ba on sa be ka bi IBR eno so bi ho ye wo shingles Eurotas ni na no ba Jack Expert Roofing ubenya bi na de den say niam no ni nyina premium coated make can say no na che say first grade enwe na achen ensanso emfedi enchifin ena leakages bia enso entimi na de ten say wo ba free estimate ena for technical advice ye be sanso e de ma tonso Monaco your Presby Junction ye ben Sokabet wo fresh 0596 015 455 0596 015 455 unsabeka Jack Expert Roofing na mamenka say e Betway money back boost no eno nso egusu e koso no pese obetwa beta e Betway e German Bundesliga match say koso ntitwa bet no e wo Betway www.betway.com.gt now so timia bet kama na bibia enso timia koso sanso na Macau say no hotel sasha say e operate na the best hotel so far in town eno a True Vine hotel na there den say no pay say ubenya anase area o ehe na okwafa wo lunch me pa cho fa woni kire True Vine hotel o we bia wo office na pese de bro say e bia na chairman say the chairman say lazy mieme o so mfa ngudem na asema koba ma ya dia ba business bi chairman lazy mieme no na say bia ne wo pese wo tena office ne de ne lunch brena a True Vine hotel no ara say ya fa phone na ya frɛ reverend it was 0205 322 na fe chairman ene walezia miamu se no na se wonso bia bankuni okrobi sa na nche wele ne hyehyɛ mu sa no fish bi danche no na ya dia bro sanso na bayra ya no ne apima mpesi palava sauce nyina no e True Vine ena obenya bia de wo pekenke ene fish no kwa obenya bi continental dishes no e jare ene Abigail lie eno de jollof rice fried rice and fish sauces open mashed potato with egg grilled chicken and as a plain rice any tomato sauce french fries any chicken no ni nyina okwa unsa enso betimi aka be 15 Ghana cedis pe unsa enso betimi aka be nti number ne bio no afre no watimi make order eno 0205 322331 now so nya aduane e free True Vine hotel na bibia nso etimi aye kama ye kira kwan na ewo eye ahodu nhye so na se runabout ne nchen open na obenya True Vine hotel na bibia enso etimi aye kama na chama no me so yakono Frenchman ese memfa happy birthday infama Miriam Akulbila, yes, Miriam Akulbila, aka Me of Kings Towel Hotel Limited, Ewa in Sunday State. Na ene Frenchman say mention happy birthday. But
okay,
Chairman is who anope ohun so lazy amiem.
Chairman you watching it. Chairman na nam dem take. Chairman.
Was what is one announce birthday na o kan wa ka rotate for your.
Dem say chairman dey say me kan answer kan.
Chairman
what's the chairman?
O say na o TV na ohun so ye.
Na chairman.
What is say aka say 11 days.
Oh, dem go do jam na bad. Me you know.
Chairman got 11 days.